Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Now I am going to explain the topic is volume expressed in cubic units. Volume expressed in cubic units. So the volume is a three-dimensional space. Volume is a three-dimensional space that is occupied some amount of matter or object. Some amount of matter or object. And the volume is defined in cubic units. The volume is defined in cubic unit. It is the cubic units. The cubic unit can be defined as the units used to measure the volume. Used to measure the volume. The volume of units cube is length and width and height. But you want to cubic unit, you take one unit each one. One unit each one. One unit and one unit and one unit. Height is 1 unit, length is 1 unit, width is 1 unit. So it is cubic unit. It is one cubic unit. It is one cubic unit. It is one cubic unit. Now the cube is expressed in centimeter. The first one is cube is expressed in centimeter. So you take each one 1 centimeter. Means height is 1 centimeter, length is 1 centimeter and width is 1 centimeter. You take each 1 centimeter or centimeter. You take centimeter and centimeter and centimeter. So the formula of volume is length times height times width. So expressed in cube is expressed in centimeter times and centimeter time. Means width is centimeter, length centimeter, height centimeter. So it is centimeter cube. If you want to 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube equal 1 ml, 1 milliliter. So 1000 centimeter cube equal 1000 ml, milliliter. 1000 milliliter equal 1 liter. 1 liter. 1 liter equal 1 deciliter. 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube. It is units of volume in centimeter. Volume in centimeter cube. Units of volume in centimeter cube. So 1 decimeter cube. Now cube is expressed in meters, in meters. Cube is expressed in meters. The cube is expressed in meter. Expressed in meter. Meter, meter, and meter. So formula is height, length, width. It is meter in times meter times and meter. So it is called meter cube. It is meter cube. So 1 meter, each one is 1 meter in 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube. The units of volume in meter is meter cube. Meter cube. So 1 meter cube equal 1000 liters. 1000 liters. And 1 meter cube equal 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. So centimeter cube. And 1 meter cube equal 1000 decimeter cube. 1000 decimeter cube. It is about meter cube in volume. And next one is cube is expressed in decimeter. In decimeter. So here each one is decimeter. Each one is decimeter. And decimeter. So here is decimeter times and decimeter times decimeter cube. It is decimeter cube. So take 1 decimeter cube. Each one is 1 decimeter cube. Is 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube equal 1 liter. 1 liter. 1 liter. And the units of volume in decimeter cube is decimeter cube. In decimeter cube. And next one is cube is expressed in kilometers. Expressed in kilometer. So you take each one in kilometer. Kilometer and kilometer and kilometer. The formula of volume is height times length times and width times kilometer times and kilometer is equal kilometer cube. You take 1 kilometer each one in 1 kilometer cube. 1 kilometer cube equal 10 to the power of 9 meter cube. 10 to the power of 9 meter cube. And 10 to the power of 9 meter cube equal 10 to the power of 12 liters. 10 to the power of 12 liters. It is about cube is expressed in kilometer. The volume of units of volume in kilometer cube is kilometer cube. It is kilometer cube. And you can identify easy way conversion kilometer cube and meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube. Its conversion to into thousand and millimeter cube to centimeter cube into the 100 and centimeter cube to millimeter cube into 10 and millimeter cube to centimeter cube by 10 and centimeter cube to millimeter cube by 100. It is wave shortcut by 1000. It is shortcut way can convert units of volumes. So the value is expressed in cubic units. Okay. Thank you very much.